Welcome to unboxing of the Enbrighten Indoor Ascent Spectrum String Wall Lights with 6 lights, 8 feet, 2.4 meters, RGBWIC color changing, adjustable wine, dimmable. Comes with these little 2 remotes actually, and for some reason I don't know why such a big label for ingestion hazard, like especially in the front, like. Are you gonna make people not want to buy stuff because it's gonna say warning. And over here on the sides, as you can see, IR remote control infrared reader, I think. I forgot. Used to include it in Enbrighten remote control to operate your Enbrighten indoor ascent spectrum light, basically. So light from anywhere in the room. Inline controller. But I thought it was like IR. So yeah, so advance through your favorite colors and modes with the press of a button. This is more view into the side box. It says in the box 18 inches. So basically means that there's 18 inches from each little light. And lighting specifications, if you want to see closer in, 3000K to 5000K. I'm not really an electrician type of nerd, so I don't really know what that means. Any electrician people that know, please comment down below. Electrical ratings input. I'm not really gonna go that deep inside. Oh, and there it is. Inline control. Oh, I thought this was the IR remote. Oh no, so this is the IR and that's inline. I wonder what inline means. Anybody that knows what that means, please comment down below. And this is basically just more stuff about how to connect it. RGBWIC. I don't know what that means. I only know RGB means. So if anybody knows what WIC at the end means, says give your way, donations. And then the other side is just talking about adjustable light modes, preset effects, solid colors, custom color combinations, and the handle for their social media. And basically that's all for the box. So let's unbox it, guys. Let's see where we have to open this. I think we have to open this way too. Let me see. It's not getting through. I think that's basically all. Let me set this down. Let me try to open it. I've always been the type of person that doesn't know how to open stuff well. So I think oh, there you go. You take that out well. Let me just use this thing so I can take it out. There we go. This is first hand view, right? Oh, look at that. Here's the lights. I would expect for 18 lights. Isn't it 18 lights? No, six lights. It's just 16 inches away from each light. More stuff. Remote. And if you're watching this and you want to know more when I actually installed them in my own room, guys, later on the full review, like the review, not the unboxing, is coming later. But like later, not right now. I'm still not done with that one yet, and I guess this is all that comes in, nothing else. All right, so let's throw that away. I don't know why, but I've always enjoyed keeping boxes for stuff, so I like to keep them in well condition. Final view of the empty box, and there you go. So let's see what we have in here. Also, this not needed. Enbrighten. So we have the inline remote control. I guess that's just like the main stuff, you know, like the main control center, as you can see there. But that's not really interesting. What we're really interested in is these lights. Let's see what they are. They come with these little stickers applied, and just look at the instructions. Register your product. Register, I mean. Not really much, but let's take a look. Wait, is this open more? Yes, it is. Oh, I ripped it. Dude, I swear, this thing is so confusing to open. Or it's a little bit stuck together. Let's move this to the side. Move the bags out to the side. So, remote control setup. Warranty information. Thank you for purchasing. Register your product. Inside the box, so it comes in. Setup. Warnings. Damn, so many warnings. Testing. At the back, I think it's in Spanish. Yes. Cadena de luces. And artículos incluidos, which is basically, if anybody doesn't know Spanish, inside the box. Or contents in the box. So, let's get this out of the way. Right, I don't know how to post that right. Yeah, who cares? So, there it is. This is all that came in. We have the little lights there. We also have the inline control and the lights themselves. So, if you want to have a little closer look, let me see. The camera doesn't want to focus. There you go. LED true. There you go, as you can see. So, if you want to see the full review, please like and comment on this video so I can get motivated to edit faster for the full review video, which is coming later. So, yeah, this is basically it. Just a small unboxing video of the, what are they called again? I keep forgetting. Indoor Accent Spectrum String Wall Lights. 6 lights, 8 feet, 2.4 meters, dimmable. I like the way that you could also put like fully white in case you want to use them as like lights for your room. Like, not like RGB lights, like lights overall. And that's basically it. And here you guys are, in case anybody wants to buy them. We'll give a second so you guys can see that. Anybody wants to buy them, I'm gonna do the full review later so I can tell you guys if you actually do want to buy them. And that's basically all. You know, we're done with the review, and that's all. Thank you for watching the video. If you actually stayed until this part, thank you very much for watching the whole video. And please just leave a comment on suggestions and tell me if you have these lights yourself or if you consider buying these, because that will motivate me to do the full review so I could tell you guys if they're really worth it to buy. But that's basically all, and have a nice night because I'm recording this in the nighttime. And bye.